What's up and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to successfully repair your corrupted external USB drive. In my case, as we can see, I've got a USB drive which is labeled with the letter D, and when I try to open this, this horrible warning message right here which says D is not accessible, the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable. Now the data should be safe. I've got a lot of data in here that I cannot afford to lose, but there is something that we can perform on this in order to sort of validate the problematic files or the clusters within the drive that might have failed or have some sort of errors, and then it will try to perform a fix on that. So let's go ahead. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the Windows icon right here, and then navigate within this area here to find command prompt. So that's one way of doing it. If you're not able to find it through here, what I would recommend doing is clicking on the search icon and then type in CMD, and you should see command prompt. So we're going to go ahead and click on command prompt, and we should then see some sort of terminal like this. And what we're going to do in here is type in a few words which will sort of perform, which will use the check disk utility within the Windows, and it will perform a sort of a check and a repair, a possible repair if it finds any errors, which in this case it should, because the drive is going back as corrupted. So let's go ahead and do that. So what you need to type in is CHKDSK. So that's check disk, and then we're going to do a / and then we're going to do an F, and then we're just going to type in our we're going to do type in our letter of the drive, which in this case is D for me. Yours could be different, A, B, C, whatever it could be. So you just need to type that in, and then and then put a colon after that. And then we should be in a better position to hit enter and let the disk utility to go ahead and do what it needs to do right here. Okay, there you go. So it did some stuff behind the scene. As you can see, it was scanning, checking the disk, etc. It unindexed some stuff, just a whole lot of different things I went through, but in the end it's finally done its checks, and that's complete now. So we should be able to exit this, and we should be able to now access our drive. And as you can see right here, that's updated from what it used to be before, and it now says the drive name, and you can see it's almost full, and I should be able to see all of my data by double clicking, and I can access it now. So as you can see here, that did the job of repairing the drive, and we now have access to our drive, and we're able to use it, including all of our data which is secure within the drive, as we can see right here. I hope this has been useful. I hope it's helped you. And if you have any problems, please make sure to put them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Until next time, peace out. And please make sure to give the videos a big thumbs up if it helped. Also subscribe to the channel for some more cool content. Until next time, peace out.